Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Day, I want to talk to you again about water, but this is the total lack of water, a drought. Do you have a drought survival plan in place? If not, you may want to consider it. I know some people are saying, well, we live up here where we got 1,000 lakes in our state. And it's like, yeah, but you only have 1,000 lakes in your state so long as you get the rainfall. You get a couple of years of no rain and you're going to have no lakes. So you need to have a plan in place to deal with a severe drought that lasts a long time. So think about it. Think outside the box. Get with other members of your group. I'm going to harp on this a lot. Don't try to do it alone. Get with other people you know in the area that are preppers too. Work together to figure out, okay, what can we do to survive a drought? We don't need to be going it alone. We can work together and get together with other preppers in your area and stuff from other family members and figure out what sort of things you can do to survive a serious long-term drought. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go into anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn at least one new skill a month and grow more food. You need to get fresh vegetables growing because what's in the store is so friggin' contaminated. It just turns your stomach if you know everything that's in it. So grow some fresh vegetables yourself.